Hello, welcome back. I just want to make another video. It came up recently as an issue where there was multiple refunds for one transaction. This can occur mainly when, say, there's tax on top of your original expense, and then you also maybe return it for a refund, or the part was defective, or there's something going on where you actually receive two uh, different refunds for one transaction. So I just wanted to kind of go over what that would look like in this application and how you would do that. Um, so let's begin with that. So you'll notice here there's three transactions waiting for documentation. You go to our inbox, we see this transaction here, which is the original transaction, um, a refund transaction, which we could say maybe is tax, something like that. Uh, the next transaction, oh, sorry, guard dog. The next transaction is a full refund for maybe the amount of what the original transaction actually cost. Um, so if we look at this, the first thing you have to do, right, is let's fill out this P card form. Um, so everything's pulled over just like before, and the first thing we want to say is it's anticipating a refund. Well, how much? What is the amount that's anticipating? So if it was just the tax and you're just anticipating tax and not actual full refund, you just put the 255 in here. However, we also got a full refund on everything, so we actually want to put the entire amount of 52.55 in here. This we can just fill out. Let's put on travel, sure. Boom. Okay, don't worry about the receipt. Save and keep working. And let's go ahead and continue to the next page. Just like we were doing in the past videos, we also want to continue to the next page and submit the form. Now we're back on our home screen. It's down to 2. Perfect. We got one winning up here. The anticipated refund amount is 52.55. Perfect. So now we have two refunds. They both go to that refund. We know that. So what we have to do here is just like if we were just had one refund going to it, is just select that transaction. So we come up here, we click on this. So new one waiting. Save and close. Now let's see what happens. Now you'll see this is still here. It's still waiting. So we did attach a refund, but it was only for that 2.55 amount. So until we actually give it, the amount of the refund adds up to the anticipated amount of the refund, this will hang out here and wait for you to attach more refunds to it. So let's attach the last one. Super easy. And there, it's vanished from the transactions anticipating refund, and your inbox is clear because both those are attached to it now. Um, so yeah, that just basically covers how transactions anticipating multiple refunds looks like. The key there is to put the anticipated refund amount as the total amount that you're looking for. So that's going to be, maybe you have 3 refunds. I don't think that will ever really be the case, but maybe you do. You want to add up those 3 refunds and make sure you put that amount in there. If you forget to fill out the anticipating refund amount, or you find out later on after you've already submitted documentation for an expense that you're getting a refund on it, what you have to do there is just contact your P card team through DLC and ask them to either send the P card form back to you or for them to mark it as anticipating a refund as well. Um, Hopefully that doesn't happen very often, but that is kind of the way of getting around that. All right, thank you.